What's so cool about manufacturing? Let's go to Hexcel Pottsville to find out.
I'm the plant manager here at Hexcel Pottsville. This plant here, we are the best in the world at making aircraft components out of honeycomb.
As a production supervisor, I oversee the production of our helicopter rotor blades.
So we take, honeycomb, which is a very specialized material, and our engineers figure out how to shape it, seam it, put it together, create the surfaces on it that then go into our aircraft.
It's pretty wild to see something that is that thin that is going to propel a helicopter in through the air.
Majority of it is for the production operators is a high school diploma. We do provide on-the-job training.
We bring in all the raw materials to make it from start to finish, from laying up glass and carbon fiber to make the laminate of a helicopter blade to our machine core. We machine it, adhere it all together, and then send the final product out to our customers.
We do a lot of stuff for the military, and it's, for me again personally, it's gratifying getting to do that.
The military can't function without quality products. You don't want to have a helicopter take off and a minute later a blade going flying off. So yeah, we take pride in the quality of our products we deliver to the military.
I do a lot of the cleaning and inspection of all the parts that come through for different customers. We're at the end of the line, so all of them need to be inspected before they go out of the building.
Working at Hexcel, they expect one thing and one thing only from you, just to be safe. That's the most important thing. You want to come into this place to work in one piece, and you want to leave in one piece.
Our goal is to work as one team. A lot of the materials that we receive come from other sites that goes into our production and working together to make the final product.
We make the things that make everybody's life more enjoyable and easier. Without manufacturing, you'd literally have nothing.
So what is so cool about manufacturing? Well, you can take what you have and what you're good at to help and benefit others. In other words, manufacturing can take us to the skies.